Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating every hash div/0, error in your sheet, scan formulas, or use find. Once located, inspect the divisor cell. If it's 0 or blank, that's the cause. Now apply the first quick fix. Wrap the formula with if or IFR. For example, change equals a2/b2 to equals if, b2 equals 0, a2/b2, or to equals IFR, a2/b2, depending on whether you want an empty cell or fallback text. Do this now across visible problem cells. Next, make the solution scalable. If you have many rows, use array formula so you don't edit each cell. For example, equals array formula. If b2, b equals 0, a2, a/b2, b. Once done, handle blanks explicitly with isBlank or len to avoid treating empty text as 0. Also consider IFR for complex expressions that might error for reasons other than division. Make sure to test a few rows to confirm results, and keep original data unchanged until you verify the corrected output. Finish by cleaning up. If you need static numbers, copy the fixed range and paste special values only. Once complete, double-check for hidden zeros or text entries like 0 that still cause issues. Use value or valueif patterns if needed. If something still shows hash div/0, use conditional formatting to highlight errors and trace precedent cells. One key tip: if formulas seem right but errors persist, inspect for spaces or text in divisor cells, trim and reevaluate, and then you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.